Welcome everybody. We're going to start our day at Disneyland on the Jungle Cruise. It's a beautiful day here today. They've got this thing wrapped in a different way. There's the tropical hideout over there. It was pretty busy getting in, but it looks to have thinned out a little bit. Be interested to see what the lines are like today.
We're receiving a transmission.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Christmas.
It's not Christmas time.
Thanksgiving 2025.
Thanksgiving.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Thanksgiving.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, step all the way forward in line. Clap your hands.
Got him. Today we're filming on my iPhone. We'll see how this goes. I can see I'm already washed out. Oh, that's better. I don't know if you can hear me. I got a microphone I should probably pull out. We'll get there. Jungle Cruise.
You told me to go hit something, so let's do that. Everyone wave goodbye to that dock. Wave goodbye to the beautiful people on the dock. And you guys can wave goodbye to the ugly ones. They have feelings too. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruiser. We are world famous for being famous around the world. My name is Skipper John Luca, and I'll be your skipper for about as far as we get today. A little bit of safety while I'm driving the boat backwards. Please remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, please watch your children. Children, watch your parents. Sometimes they are much worse. And a friendly word of warning for anyone that does drop something off the side of the boat. If something does fall, what I want you to do is you're going to raise your hand. I'm going to raise my hand, and together we're going to wave goodbye to it because you're never going to see it again. Now, over there to your right, that is Indiana Jones and the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. It's where famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is in search of a long-lost treasure. Now, folks, if you take a look off to your left-hand side, it's our first sign of wildlife. It's a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. They're one of the deadliest animals here in the jungle. Now, the good thing is, while that tiger could leap up to 40 feet, we're only about 15 feet away, so it's going to go right over your head. Just like most of my jokes. Oh, and you know what that is over there? That is concrete evidence that we're going to be seeing elephants on this cruise. Now, speaking of concrete evidence, we're now approaching the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. It's where Indian elephants like to bathe here. Sacredly. Now, if you guys have cameras, don't worry. You can take their pictures. They do have their trunks on. Except for last night, though. That was pretty weird. Now, if you guys do decide to take pictures of these elephants, make sure not to include me in them. My parents think I'm in college. Yeah, they are very, very proud of my brother. Oh, hey, little squirt, you know, I've been looking for his brother the whole day. What are you guys looking at? Oh, hey, squirt buddy, what's up? Hey, it's not nap time. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, you know what? It's okay, guys. Well, I can guarantee you with 100% certainty that we avoided all signs of danger. Hey, that looks like danger. Let's get closer. Oh, no, it looks like those gorillas took over my base camp and stole all my bananas. I hope he found them very appealing. Now, I just finished paying off my car. I parked it over here at the campsite so I could show you. Oh, come on. Look what they did. They left the lights on. Now I'll never get it to turn over. Although, you know what? It's a good thing I have AAA. Now, folks, if you take a look off to your left, it's a little hard to see, but just between the bamboo over there, you're going to see absolutely nothing. Now, you guys are staring at the most beautiful sight ever. Me. And behind me, that's Schweitzer Falls. It's named after the famous Albert Falls. And don't worry, we're going to go over it a little later. Now, we just made a right-hand turn onto the Nile River. That's right, folks, the Nile River. Or as the locals around here like to call it, the Nile River. It goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. Over there to your left, that is an African bull elephant. Known for their large ears, strong tusks, and amazing memory. Take it in, folks. It's the only African bull elephant you'll be able to... That's an aardvark. You guys know what an aardvark looks like? No? Okay, cool. That's an aardvark. Now we're approaching the African belt with some amazing African animals. Those ones over there with the stripes, those are zebras. Although I consider them pretty old, they're still stuck in black and white. Those ones over there with the horns, I've never seen those ones before. They must be new. And those tall thingies in the back, I call those trees. Oh, look at that. The zebra is dead. Tired, dead tired. We'll let him rest in peace. Looks like they're celebrating Thanksgiving a little early this year. See, look, dark meat, light meat, dark meat, light meat, dark meat, light meat. Oh no, Super Felix, this happened last week. I told him never to get into an argument with a rhino. They always get their point across. You know, I know it could have been a lot worse for them. They could have been the zebra, and that's the truth. Oh no, you know what though? I think it did just get much worse for us. I think I made a little mistake. We're now turning into the hippo pool. Yeah, these hippos are very aggressive. They do have a tendency in trying to charge my boats, but don't worry, they only take cash, so we should be okay. Okay, I'm sorry to that up. I didn't bring them any cash today, but I did. Don't worry, I got the one in the tree. Ones in the water, I'm gonna scare them off like I did with my ex-girlfriend. See, they're afraid of commitment. Yeah, it works every time. Now, you know what? I'm gonna get real with you guys. I've always been told that my job is so easy that like, oh boy, how do I put this? Like a monkey can do it. But I said that's absolutely impossible. There's just no way that a monkey can learn how to drive a... Okay, you know what? That is pretty funny. But those aren't monkeys. Those are chimpanzees. I would tell you the difference, but we're kind of short on time. It's a whole other tale. Now, I did hear they're having a sale on that boat. It's half off. Now, folks, if you take a look off to your left, well, it looks like those two lovebirds just could not resist giving each other butterflies. Yeah, nothing really seems to bug them, if you ask me. Well, if you folks have those cameras, get them ready because this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Prepare yourselves to experience the amazing, the stupendous, the phenomenal, eighth wonder of the world. Give it up for the backside of water.
O2H.
Or as we skippers like to call it, O2H.
O2H.
I'm sorry, I like to dabble in my chemistry periodically. Now, I do have one joke about oxygen and potassium, but it's just okay. Okay, I can tell that joke was a little bit out of its element. Now, if that wasn't cool enough, we do have a visit from a very famous celebrity today. It's Dwayne, The Rock. Don't take him for granted now. You know, I should be a lot bolder with my rock jokes. I think they're pretty solid. Now, up ahead, we have a python. It's sitting in a tree. Hissing. And you know, folks, as they always say, no ride is ever complete without a stop at the gift shop. And it looks like Trader Sam's has a little bit of monkey business going on over there. And up there on the top left, it looks like those two monkeys are trying to set a record. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Don't worry, we did not leave the monkeys in charge. We left the elephants in charge. And that's Ellie. She's the branch manager. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. A lot of people like to think she sprays water out of her trunk. It's not. Well, folks, give yourselves a round of applause. You just survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. As we approach the dock, make sure to keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, negative reviews inside the boat. I wouldn't want anyone experiencing any kind of peer pressure. Well, you folks have been a phenomenal crew. Some might even say outstanding, which is why when this boat comes to a complete stop, I want you all outstanding on that dock. It's been real. It's been fun. I can't really say it's been real fun. Get off my boat.
So, Jungle Cruise in the books. We always start there. Let's go see what else we get into.